random. I didn't shoot him. I think Poke
I have a
shot
wrench.
him.
I have a wrench. I can probably fix the car. Yo, he had no helmet on.
Yeah, I didn't know who it was either. I'm like, what the fuck is this guy doing?
He was trying to get in the car, and then the other guy was saying it's a random person. So my bad. How do I repair this car?
Yeah, I have a hammer, but I don't think it repairs cars.
Hold on, I probably
I
just
wouldn't get in there. If you blow up, you lose all your shit.
It's used to repair damaged vehicles. Should I just auto attack the car?
I guess.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Holy shit! That's not good. Oh my god! You're done that. Holy shit! Oh my god, dude. No, Poke. You're dead.